Hey you guys, I'm back to update you on the treat part of this video. Hey you guys, I'm back to show you guys how I'm going to make the treats for the St. Patrick's Day Little Lucky Charm baby shower. I'm going to show you guys the items I have. I have 3 packs of the candy milks, the dark green, and I have 2 packs of the Candy Milk's white chocolate. These are Wilton brand. There are my strawberries, my Rice Krispie treats, and my Oreos. I was going to do pretzel sticks, but I couldn't find any pretzel sticks anywhere, so I just opted to get her some St. Patrick's Day cookies, and that's going to replace the pretzel sticks. Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, I'm showing you, I cut the Rice Krispie treats in half because they were big, and I made little bitty squares out of them. And this is the original size that it was, and I just made 2 out of 1, and I need 12. Okay, you guys, I'm going to add some coconut oil to my green chocolate milks. And as you can see, I have laid out my Oreos, my Rice Krispie treats, and my strawberries. Now, I'm going to add some of this coconut oil, probably about a teaspoon, probably 2 teaspoons, because it's 2 bags. This is 2 bags of the dark green Wilton candy milk. I'm going to pop this in the microwave. I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I've started to dip the Rice Krispie treats, and I've already done some, and I'm letting you see how I'm doing it. Okay, let me show you what I got so far. These are the ones I've done so far. Okay, we're gonna keep going. Let me put it down a little bit more so you can see. We're gonna keep going. I got 2 more. Make sure you coat as much as you can. And that's the last one for the Rice Krispie treats. Now I'm going to take my Oreos and I'm going to dip those. These Oreos are very, very tricky, because they will break on you. So you have to go ahead and dip them and get them in and get them out, because they will break. So you have to make sure that your chocolate is soft, because it will mess up. See, this one just broke, but I'm gonna try my best to get it coated. See, that's what happens. It broke. So now I have to do another one. Let me get rid of this one. These Oreos will break on you in a minute. But we have to keep going, because we don't want our chocolate to get hard. Go ahead and stick about 3 toothpicks in here so we can get those done. Get those done. Okay. I have to work fast with these Oreos. Like I said, they'll break on you in a minute. We're going to do the strawberries last. And it doesn't matter if you get some chocolate on the sticks because we're going to pull those out anyway. This is 2 bags. So I did 24 treats in all with 2 bags of milks. Okay, put that down. 3 more. See, that one came off. Let me see if I can save it. See if I can save it. We're going to try to save that one. I'm going to get this one. I'm going to try to save that one that didn't do right. I'm going to try to save this one too. See, some of them just don't want to do right. Try to save them. See, that one did the same thing. It broke. You got to get it out of there. I got to do one more. Let me grab another cookie. I just need one more Oreo. And it needs to do right. Okay. Okay, that's as good as it's gonna be right back. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna take some of the leftover green and I'm just gonna drizzle over some of the treats. And I'm just gonna drizzle. And drizzle. Drizzle. I'm just using the excess chocolate that I have to drizzle over the treats. Okay, now I have another bag of green, and I'm going to do some white drizzles. And some white berries. So let me get this out of here and put that on the stove. Okay, you guys, I'm back. Now I'm going to do the other bag of green so I can dip the strawberries. And I'm going to put the coconut oil in. Okay. Pop it in the microwave. And I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I melted the rest of the chocolate. Now we're going to do the strawberries. I'm going to take my strawberry and I'm going to dip it. And I'm going to lay it down. Next one. I'm going to lay it down. Next one. Lay it down. Next one. Lay it down. Some people hold it by the stem, but I choose to just use a toothpick because I want it to get on the strawberry as much as possible. So I hold the stems back sometimes. Sometimes I don't, and I just dip them. So let me show you one without me putting the toothpick in. But you have to be very careful because you don't want the stems to come off because you want them to be cute. Okay. I did a couple with the toothpicks and I'm doing a couple without the toothpicks and just holding them by the stems. But you have to be very careful. Very careful. Not to break the stem off. Have two more, you guys. This is a process where you have to go and keep going. You can't stop. Because the chocolate will harden on you. And you don't want that to happen. Let me do this one again. Because I think I messed this one up. Let me dip it again. Okay. Alright, now I'm going to take my fork. And I'm going to make some drizzle lines over these. And I'm going to go back over them and I'm going to do the white drizzle as well. I just want to give it a pattern, right, you know. Give it a drizzle pattern. And I'm going to go back over them with the white when those dry. Go ahead and get this all good. I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, this is how the strawberries are looking. The Rice Krispie treats. The Oreos. And you really can't see them because of all of the drizzles that I have on the wax paper. But when I pick them up and put them in the container, then I'll show you how they look again after I put them on the platter. Now I'm going to get ready to make my candy apples. And I'm not going to show you that whole process. But I'll show you the candy apples and how they turn out when I'm done. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all. These are the strawberries and Oreos that I made. And these are the Rice Krispie treats. And I just wanted to show you guys how they looked off of the paper that I drizzled them on, because you couldn't really see them because of the drizzle all over the place. But that's how they turned out. Now I'm about to work on the candy apples. I have to boil the apples, and then I will put them in a cold ice bath to stop the cooking process, and then I'll dip them and I'll show you guys how they turn out when I'm done.